In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Yahoo Calendar effectively. So, whether you're a seasoned user seeking some tips or a beginner just getting started, you're in the right place. First, let's start by logging into Yahoo. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Yahoo login page. You'll need to enter your Yahoo email address into the designated field. Take a moment to ensure that you've typed it correctly, as this will save you time and hassle later. Once you've done that, simply click on the Next button, which will guide you to the password input screen. Here, type in your secure password. Remember, keeping your password confidential is key to protecting your personal information. After entering your password, click Next once more. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access the calendar feature. Locate the calendar icon, typically found on Yahoo's main interface, hover your mouse over it, and click on it. This action will open up the Yahoo Calendar, giving you a comprehensive view of your schedule. If you'd like to see your entire week or month at a glance, click on Calendar Full View. This full view is an excellent way to get an overarching look at your upcoming commitments and plan accordingly. Now, if you want to add tasks, head over to the to-do list, located in the upper right corner, and click on it to get started. You'll need to input the necessary information for your task, making sure to include all relevant details to help track deadlines. To set a due date, simply toggle the button that says Due Date, specifying when the task should be completed. Additionally, you can prioritize your tasks by clicking the drop-down arrow beside the due date, then selecting the priority level that best suits your needs. For extra clarity, feel free to jot down a description of the task in the provided box. Once you're satisfied with the details, don't forget to click on the Save button. This action is important as it ensures all your planning efforts aren't lost. For larger commitments like meetings or events, click on the New Event button. Alternatively, you can click directly on the date in the calendar where you need to schedule something. Enter the event's name, the date, time, and location. Including these essential details will keep you punctual and prepared. Finally, while setting a reminder for your events or tasks is optional, it's a beneficial feature that can help you manage your time more effectively. Once all the event details are filled out, make sure to save your settings. This ensures the event is securely stored in your calendar, primed to alert you as the date approaches. And there you have it, you're now all set to navigate the Yahoo Calendar with confidence.